This Thanksgiving, welcome your guests with a touch of warmth and creativity. A wreath isn't just decoration, it's a symbol of gratitude, togetherness, and the beauty of the season. Whether it hangs on your door or brightens up your table, a Thanksgiving wreath sets the tone for celebration, comfort, and home. Today, we'll break it down into 3 simple parts, creating the base, adding layers of texture, and finishing with thoughtful details. Whether you're a seasoned decorator or just exploring something new, this guide will help you design a wreath that captures the spirit of Thanksgiving beautifully. Every wreath begins with a strong foundation. Choose a shape and style that fits your space and your personality. Think of the base as your canvas, it sets the structure and balance for everything that follows. Keep it simple, steady, and ready to hold the beauty you'll build upon it. This step is about balance and proportion. Focus on creating a shape that feels natural, something that represents abundance and unity. Once you've set the structure, the creativity truly begins. What kind of Thanksgiving wreath would you hang this year, simple and elegant, or full and festive? Share your favorite style in the comments below. Now it's time to add texture and depth. This is where your wreath starts to come alive. Layer elements with different tones and finishes to create movement and warmth. Mix soft and structured shapes for that perfect Thanksgiving harmony. Keep an eye on rhythm and direction, let everything flow in one cohesive pattern. Each layer adds richness, giving your wreath that welcoming, handcrafted feel. If these Thanksgiving wreaths added a little warmth and inspiration to your day, don't forget to like this video and share it with friends who love seasonal decorating. The final touches make your wreath truly yours. Focus on balance, symmetry, and the little details that tie it all together. Add something subtle that reflects the heart of Thanksgiving, gratitude, comfort, and the joy of gathering. Take a step back and admire your creation. Every curve, every detail tells a story, one of thankfulness and creativity. Hang it where it greets everyone who enters with a feeling of welcome and warmth. And there you have it, a beautiful Thanksgiving wreath that celebrates the season's charm and your personal touch. It's not about perfection, it's about expression, gratitude, and the joy of creating something by hand. A wreath like this turns any doorway into an invitation of love and thankfulness. For more beautiful seasonal ideas, DIY projects, and festive home inspiration, make sure to hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for more. So this Thanksgiving, take a little time to create something that reflects your heart. Celebrate creativity, gratitude, and the beauty of the season, one wreath at a time.